don't know. Sto facendo il video.
Così me lo fai anche a me adesso?
Ma se vuoi va bene.
È possibile fare i video, no?
Ti sto facendo il video per YouTube. Sì, perché ho un canale su YouTube. Sì.
No, perché vedo spesso che fai video, fai spesso i video, anche quando vai giù sentare.
Sì. Ok, grazie.
Ciao. Tutti a scuola.
That's my neighbor. He was asking me if I'm making a video. Fast. Anti-seat, so I'm holding it. Always being careful, extremely careful. That's good. You are always being careful. Oh yeah, I'm down. Okay. Ciao. So I keep getting comments like, when is Blessing starting school, or has she started school? So can you see this compound now? This is going to be Blessing school very soon. Okay, you can see it. So no, she hasn't started school yet. Okay, she's going to start by September. Yeah, I hope I've answered you people's question, because I get these questions a lot, like a whole lot. That's Favour, Joshua and Caleb over there. I love this street so much. It's so beautiful and calm, especially in the mornings. Wow. Oh, I love this cool breeze. Oh yeah. Are you driving with my bag? Blessing. Hello guys, good morning, and how are you all doing? So we just arrived school now, and we came here very early. Like we'll have to wait for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So hubby is doing morning today, and I'm the one doing the school run, and I'm enjoying it. I've been so happy this morning. Like I'm so excited, mainly because where is he? Caleb, come. Because this young man here, shift back so they can see you. He will be graduating today. They are having their graduation and send forth party today. So by September he will be coming here with Favour and Joshua, and then the school I showed you guys over there will be Blessing school very soon. Here is Blessing. Mommy, stay here. They can't even see you, but stay here. So all road leads to one direction. All right, I'm very happy and excited about that. Mosquito, those are not mosquitoes. Blessing.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Caleb, what are you doing? Come on, put that to the side. See Joshua here. Joshua, come. Say good morning. Where is Favor? Go and stand there so that you will know when they open the gate. So guys, that is it, and I'll be taking you guys along with us today for the graduation and send forth party. That one is in the evening time. So Caleb is going to stay in school throughout the whole day, and then my hubby, myself, and the rest of my kids, all of us will then go to the party center. They rented a place for the party, so we'll be going there in the evening time. So with all that being said, you can tell where my excitement is coming from. They are looking at me here, but I don't really care because I'm doing my job. After dropping their kids now, they will all go to work. And me, this is my own work. Okay, so I don't mind if they are looking at me. They've all entered inside, so I can now go back home. Look at them over there. Hello guys, so we just arrived here now and we are waiting for Caleb's school bus to arrive. Once the school bus picks him, I am blessing. Look at her here, and that's Caleb over there. We'll go upstairs, and yeah, I'll also be going back to pick Favor and Joshua from school because, like I said, hubby is doing morning duty and he will be coming back by 2. So Joshua and Favor, they dismiss by 1 o'clock. There's no way my hubby will be picking them from school, so I'll still be going back to pick them. And then I also have a recipe to film today. Like, today is going to be a very busy day for me, but I don't mind because I'm so happy. I'm so happy because today is my boy's day. Daddy, say hi. Hi. Hi.
I have my skirt.
You have your skirt. Mommy, that's not skirt, it's a dress. Yes. So I'm so happy today. Like, today is a very beautiful, exciting day for me. We've been so happy upstairs. Actually, this morning as I was getting Caleb ready for school, I brought up the matter. I was telling him, or rather asking him, I hope you remember that today is your day. You'll be graduating today. They will be giving you your diploma today. And he was laughing. Even Favor and Joshua, we were all excited for the good news. So we can't wait for the evening time so we can all go and celebrate with my boy. You guys are having a good time together. Stop making me turn around, Blessing. Stop making me turn around. Oh no. Okay guys, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye. Guys, we just came in now and look at what Blessing is doing. Look at what this girl is doing. Hey, she likes doing this. Like, every time you will catch her doing this thing.
No, backflip.
You want to do backflip too. But you've not learned that one. So continue with your cartwheel.
But we do backflip.
I try, let me see. Oh my days. My Chineke. You can't do that one. She wanted to flip over. Wow. Wow, with pampers. Please let me go and do what I have to do. Because if I start looking at Blessing.
I did well.
You did well. Wow, you tried. Wow! Be careful, okay?
We're trying to.
I can't keep recording. Bye. Oh, guys, I'm in the girls' room now. I'm trying to sort out their outfit for the send forth party this evening. And I've come up with something I'm going to show you guys in a bit. And as for Joshua, I don't really have a problem with his outfit because boys, they don't really have problems when it comes to outfit. But you see, girls, you need to take out time to sort their outfit. So I'm going to show you what they will be wearing. I've been thinking, what should they wear? What should they wear? I kind of had something in my head before, but as soon as I came inside this room, I just changed my mind. So let me show you guys what I came up with. This is what I came up with for the girls. This one is for Favor. And this one is for Blessing. They will be wearing the same outfit. Like they will be matching. Not exactly the same, but the skirts are exactly the same. And by the way, the skirts were gifted to them by one of my subscribers. Her channel name is Gloria. Ijoma Gloria Anopueme. Yeah, thank you, sis, once again. Now, as for Caleb, the one he wore to school today is not what he's going to be wearing for the party. Yesterday, he went to school with his own outfit. According to their teachers, they said that they should come to school yesterday with their outfit. So they will be changing from school, right? So, yeah, let me go and pick Favor and Joshua from school because it's almost time. This is 12:33. So it's time to leave because they'll be dismissing by 1 p.m. So, and right now Blessing is actually sleeping, so I'll have to go and wake her up. Hey. Anyways, let's do this. Guys, we are out and about again. This time around, it's just me and Blessing. Hi. I woke her up from her nap. I felt for her, really. But we got to do what we got to do. So, if it was Hobby that is doing these school runs now, he would have gone with car. But when I'm doing it, I'm trekking this car because pass. And by the way, Hobby took how do I put it? He changed his turn of duty just for today to attend his son's send forth party. And there's this one other very important appointment he has today as well. So that's why he changed his turn of duty. And I have to do the morning runs. I have to do the school or the morning school runs. So that's how it goes over here. Guys, my adorables are here. Like, I admire you guys when you are coming out from your school. From your school. I mean, all the class members, you guys look so cute. The way you guys march out from the classroom. Hey, these children, they will be shining and looking so fresh. I mean, all of them, both the white ones. Joshua and this his classmate. He went to hug his classmate. Is this a routine here? Must you hug? Hey, God. Okay, let's be going. We'll go home now, rest, and then get ready for the party. Okay. It's very sunny today, but at the same time it's breezy. Yeah.
Now I'm downstairs to be creative.
Mommy, go. Oops.
Mommy, I did the well.
Hey guys, so I just finished filming my recipe now, and we've also eaten as well, I and the kids. And yeah, you guys will be seeing the video on my Facebook page, so if you're not following me over there, do me well to go follow. This is the right time for you to go and visit that page. Okay, the page name is Fantastic Favour Official, so that is where I'll be sharing more of my recipe videos. So yeah, I will see you guys once we are ready to leave for the party.